We're in Pelahatchie, Mississippi, at a Dollar General market. And we're equipped in this store with 6 speakers and networking equipment in the manager's office.
All right, that last part I was saying, we're running all these speakers back to the manager's office. Had to do it this way because I couldn't talk and try to do the job at the same time. So I was just make some clips and see what I could do later. Right now, with this install, we're daisy chaining speakers. In those pictures, you saw the pictures of the speakers hanging up. That's pretty much one long wire, and in between each wire, I've cut, some gaps in there, and I'm pretty much using that long wire to connect each speaker. As you can see, I've got two right there. When you cut that speaker wire, you get a red and black wire. And you see that I'm daisy chaining them together. So this speaker run was about 100 yards from the main floor all the way out to the manager's office. And then these are the commercial store speakers. You got one red terminal where the red wire is going to go. Then you got the black terminal. Pretty simple stuff. I think the biggest part was just getting up on that ladder. It doesn't seem like it on the video, but I'm up pretty high. I think it's like 15 to 17 feet in the air right there. But these are a couple of clips of the end product, what they look like. And when you go to Dollar General, you see the speakers up top. It's just one long cable coming from each one. All right, right here, I'm in the manager's office, and pretty much that setup out on the floor, that cable, this is the same cable that's coming back off into the manager's office. And I'm pretty much doing the same procedure. You got a red and black wire, and you got to break that sheet. As you can see, you got my son with me. He's learning a couple of things. Maybe he can take it to the, take it to the next level. That red and black wire, that black wire is going to go to the COM, and that red wire is going to go to the 70 volt. This is our equipment that we have to set up, and that we're setting up in the manager's office. See, we got it hooked up now. And next, now we're building our shelf, and this is where our amp is going to sit. And they got another device where it pulls the music off the internet. I'm not sure what the name of that device that they gave us, but pretty much our job was just to come in and run that speaker wire, make sure the speakers were running good. And right here, just showing them how to, mount a shelf. You pretty much mount anything. You use the same principles. All right, right here, we're doing our cable management. As you can see, that's where the manager wanted everything. Just trying to tidy stuff up and, make stuff neat. And this is the end result here. That cable is coming from the ceiling all the way into her office. And here you go. Speakers are working good.